Alright, these are the last 6 solder points here on the ErgoDox keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, 8, sorry. Last 8. Just gonna go ahead and knock them out. I'm gonna verify line on the square, line on square, square. Okay, and see, this one is not correct. Yeah, they go every which way at on the little thumb cluster here, so you're definitely got to pay attention to that. Okay, good. This is the last surface mount, and it turns out I actually did order extra diodes because I dropped one on the floor, and then I realized this is the last set of diodes to do between the 2 PCB boards, and I have like 10 extra, so that's good. I'm gonna knock these out and then get to the real fun through-hole soldering. That I really enjoy. Solder right there. That one's good. Okay, do it here. We'll go ahead and try to lock some of these down before finishing them. That one had too much solder. It's just locked down so I don't accidentally knock it off the board with my other hand. I might have to move the board to a different angle. I realized what the issue is. I started noticing that the diodes keep sticking to my tweezers, and it turns out these sides are a little magnetic, and they're grabbing the metal pins of the diodes. That's really frustrating, but just gotta try to keep the metal away from metal. I didn't notice that problem earlier, so I'll lock it down. Come on. I'm over here trying to heat this thing and not melt the side of my camera. It's really close there. Okay, most of these are locked down. Let's go back, finish this up here. Let me fix that. That was supposed to be done, but just want to check underneath. That one I already checked. This one's a mess. Coming up from the left. A little too much solder, but oh well. It is what it is at this point. This one needs to be moved entirely. set. Oh, fudge. Okay, we didn't let it set long enough. That's the trick between trying to do these two that are really close together. When you apply heat to one, that air is going to move all over the place if you're not aiming it properly, or if you're just not careful. And then I'm fighting with the magnetism of the tweezers, and when I'm trying to hold this with my left hand, it starts to shake because it's not as steady as my right, and it can move. But then you have to give it a little extra time, because I came here to start applying extra heat to switch 5, and when I went to knock this one, it had not set yet. Now it's set. You can see how close these are compared to all the others. So when I'm applying heat here, it does heat up that other area. I'm going to have to move the board to do that one most likely. Actually, for those two up there, since they're sideways like that. See, even though I didn't apply direct heat to that other joint, it does heat up. The airflow is passing over it. One or not. Alright, the last one. Let me reposition a little bit. Come on, camera. Work with me here. Focus. It's being a little bastard. Wow. Come on. Better. Last joint. Problem here, that one is shifted, and okay, that's it, we're done. Oh, there's some solder balls on this side. That don't want to move. Very good. Now we're going to check for continuity across the entire board.